Hello, I'm here to tell you about how I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a quick quiz, a quick homework sheet for my students. So, AI tools have just changed the game in education, and I'm going to show you how. So, I'm going to start by putting I'm going to the app. I'm going to put my third grade science standard in. It is 3LS 4-1. I'm just going to paste it in. Okay, and it's about, analyzing and interpreting the data from fossils, showing animals evidence that animals lived long ago. So, with our curriculum at our school, it doesn't provide a lot of homework opportunities in the units. So sometimes, or a lot of standard-based homework. So we have to come up with our own homework assignments. So I thought this is a quick way to get it done. So I'm going to make sure I put in create homework assignment using sources, because it's very important for our students to use in third grade, and being able to relate or go back to them and use as evidence. I only want about 1 to 5 questions. Not too many, just making sure my students are having time to practice this skill before our big leap test comes. Alright, so then I'm just going to hit send, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to kind of generate my report or my homework. There are other ways you can use this. I also use it to make quizzes, quick quizzes. I use it to, I have used it to make a project for my students. It came up with the learning target, all of the directions, the rubric, and I just took it from here and copied and pasted into a doc, and formatted it the way we need to format it. But it took me 5 minutes with something that back in the day would have taken me at least an hour to create on my own. Alright, so I'm just going in and quickly edit this, make sure it says including sources for the students. And voila, here we are. So it has the title for me, it includes the standard, it goes through the direction, and it makes sure it tells students to use the sources provided. It creates that first source, which is a fossil description. Then we go down there, source 2, which is another fossil description that they're going to use to answer some questions. And then source 3, I like that it is a data table, because if you remember, the standard says we're going to analyze some data, so they're going to use that data to analyze some fossils. All right, and then just below, it has the 5 questions that I asked it to generate. I like question 3 because it asks it to use the table, like it specifies to go to the table, asking what evidence do we have, and then number 5, we kind of applying when the imagine that you are discovering, you have to discover a fossil of a fish. So it's actually asking to place themselves there. All right, then it gives me a little bonus question, which is optional. I will use it. I'm just going to tell ChatGPT thank you, and it sends me a nice little message, which is cool. But I take the information and then I go and I put it in a doc, and I use it in my classroom. So just let me know what you think about this tool using ChatGPT, and comment below. Let me know if there are other ways you are thinking about using it in your classroom. Thank you.